So when we talk about infectious disease, it's an illness caused by a communicable disease. So it can be transmitted from human to another, or from animal to human, or just by direct or indirect contact. So examples that you should know: AIDS, HIV, the swine flu, botulism, hepatitis, measles, E. coli, Ebola, the plague. We're going to be talking about that briefly, and of course, influenza is very common. So make sure you get your flu vaccines. Now, idiopathic is a disorder of an illness that's no known cause. So we just don't know what the cause of it is. We have no idea what's the main cause of it. Like, for example, essential hypertension, right? We just call it essential, but we really don't know why it's happening. Okay, so keep that in mind. And this doctor is just kind of not sure what it is. It's called idiopathic. Organic. So organic is basically disorder has a pathological, physiological changes that account for the patient symptoms. Okay, so again, pathological physical changes that account for the patient symptoms. So it could be caused by a physical illness or injury. Examples that actually could be caused: syphilis,